Yes, sir. What's going on YouTube, man? It's your boy Life of DJ Wayne, man. We back with another video. Right now, I got that RT's in the back. Me and my cousin, man, we gonna try. I ain't gonna say it's our first time doing this, so hopefully it go as planned. So just stay tuned, watch until the end. We about to pretty much take off the bumper, do the headlights. I'm about to put the Lightning Trend headlights on. So I'm gonna take y'all through the process, through the steps, so just stay tuned. You know what it is. All the links is gonna be in the bio, the description, so make sure you click them. Stay tuned, Lightning Trends. You know, you want that code? DM me, I got you. All right, so pretty much starting off, you gotta really take all these pins out. All these pins that y'all see that's inside of the bumper, I gotta get underneath the car too, so just bear with me. I'm gonna put y'all up, probably put it in fast motion, so stay tuned.
Soldier, you wildin'.
So pretty much these right here, that's for like the lower part of the bumper. So when you take those off, you know.
Yeah, right now we look in the car, get the tires off, so that we can get up under there. Just so we can get back here, get these pieces out the way, which is one right here, and all that down there, but we got no tire.
You already know, we back. All right, once again, taking off these tires, like he said the first time in his video. I didn't think it was gonna be this hard, but it's harder than what you think, all right? But we're gonna get it done, I promise you that. I'm gonna flip this camera around real quick. All right, boom. We got the first tire off. First tire said and done. After we get this first tire off, we're gonna get this tire off, and then we're gonna take that bumper off. I'm sweating bullets out here. I ain't gonna even lie to you. All right? But yeah, we making it work, you feel me? We got the mattress holding it up a little bit on this side just in case if that fall. We don't have a jack, but we got the factory jack that come with the car, so we making something work with that. Lift both sides up, put it in the middle, you know. But we're gonna finish taking out the rest of these pins, and then we're gonna get to it. Oh yeah, one more thing, y'all. So it's big special shout out to Lightning Trends. I got these from Lightning Trends, if y'all don't know. You feel me? We got these right here. That goes for a 2015 to a 2021 Charger. Yeah, 2015 to a 2021 Charger, Lightning Trends. Come with that. And then it come with the remote control. You know, small stuff. The output. It's the fog lights. So about the fog lights, I'm gonna have to get a new bumper. So once I get a new bumper, I will install these fog lights too when I'm putting that on. But look at the ground, stuff like that. More cords just in case. I thought I had a sticker in here somewhere, but apparently not. But yeah, shout out to y'all Lightning Trends for sending this out. We're gonna get this installed. All right, guys, so we are back right now, and we finally figured out exactly what part to get the screw from. So after you rip all this off, right, you gotta do all that. It's a screw up here that you gotta get. I don't know if you guys can see that, but back there we got that out finally. Getting the other side done.
Sir.
And then
Got it, sir.
do that. so we gotta put it back in. And this one right here, we having problems with this one.
Few moments later.
Yes, sir. We back at it, man. I had to get out the shirt. You know the vibe. My brother just pulled up with that SS, man. Clean. Clean. You ain't seen no SS with that screen, baby. Pulled up with the SS. You know the vibe. But boom, right here we got the bumper on finally.
Headlights.
Now it's time to get the headlights done. This is the part we all been waiting for. It's time to get the headlights done. And comment below how you think this is about to go. Because, you know, but we got this bumper off. I'm actually about to order a new bumper, so stay tuned for that. I got an intake coming soon, but I'm about to get these headlights off. Boom. Taking these headlights off. Exactly what we taking out. Bottom. Take off the top. Take off the bottom over here. Take them off just like that. Man, how you feeling, man?
What's up, man? We out this bitch, man.
We out this bitch, man. SS, man. What you got there? What you got getting done?
Sauce boy.
Sauce boy. Yo, we gonna vlog that too, y'all. We gonna actually take that ride with him tomorrow. We gonna vlog that. Cause I wanna hear that. I wanna hear
Tomorrow.
Alright, go ahead, so hit that shit.
I'm ordered that, my K&A.
K&A, yo, all that.
shit tonight.
All that.
Get my tent done Friday tomorrow. Hopefully I get it done tomorrow.
You can go to the boy Willie. He probably charged like $1.50.
Right across Triple Geno's.
Big shout out to JLT for this catch can. I got it to work on the 5.7. This is for my 6.1. I got it to work on the 5.7 somehow. Bore some new holes, you know. But yeah, anybody want to catch can, go to JLT, man. So we got the first headlight off. First headlight.
You taking the second one out there?
Yeah, I'm gonna start off with the first one though.
If I say you can get both them bitches on now.
It's more stuff that got to be taken off before it goes inside the cooking machine. So these right here got to come off. Pretty much all the sensors and all that. So when I get all that off, Alright, so right now we just testing all the power cables, making sure everything come on. I'm drained out right now. I ain't gonna even lie to y'all. But they all lighting up. So now the fun part is we're about to cook them. So we about to put the headlights inside the oven for like 8 minutes, 10 minutes. See if we can melt it, and then we're gonna get right to it. Guys, back. I just ate. Mom Duke's in the back. Mom, say what's up to the cam, Mom. Say what's up. You already know what it is, though. Right now, I got the headlights right here. Oh, it just told me that the oven is now at 350, so I'm about to place the headlights inside the oven. She got a customized oven. Crippin'. But I'm about to put the headlights inside, so I'm about to flip the camera. Alright, so in order for me to put these in, something has to come out. We're about to test it out. We're gonna keep this in for 10 minutes, and I'm gonna turn the camera back on when I take it out.
Yeah, I take that every 2 minutes.
throw it in there, right?
I didn't mean to do that.
Like, not die part of the head, like, alright.
That's pretty conservative.
I'm watching it doing my holiday.
So give me 10 minutes.
Few moments later.
Alright, so fresh out the oven. I got them popped off.
It look up.
So right now we about to try to get the video.
Soldier, you wildin'.
Right now, that's the other headlight. Right now, I'm putting on the other LED on this light, so I'll show y'all that when it's done. Yeah, I'm trying to get this. It's now getting midnight, getting a little dark. We almost done. Pretty much just putting everything back together. We got the first headlight done. Getting started with the second headlight and pretty much just putting everything together. So putting everything back together. So watch this process.
Soldier, you wildin'.
Took us some time, but we got it done, man. Big shout out to Light Insurance. We about to put this bumper back on, get things back right. But we did it.